Michael's got this new loan program out that I really wanted to let you guys know about. It's really cool. It's called the Medical Professional Loan Program. Michael, can you give us just a little bit of like a brief sneak peek before we go into the
Absolutely.
key topics and
Yeah.
let us know about that?
Yeah. I appreciate it. So, the Medical Professional Loan Program is our Plan B solution for medical professionals. And the reason why this program works for many is that if you're new to your career or you're still inside of residency, this program ignores any minimum payment calculation on your student loan balances. And that's the winning ticket to helping you get a loan approved.
That seems pretty good because I know a lot of people growing up, they're out there going to school for so long
Yep.
and they got themselves in so much debt that they can't even, afford to, barely get a car, you
Yep.
know, but, they're giving their life to save people's lives in different things and have put themselves in a situation of a lot of debt and to not be able to afford something until later on in life, not a lot of reward.
Yeah, I know, and it's unfortunate, but this program really helps bridge the gap because on a conventional mortgage, whether it's a jumbo mortgage or a conforming mortgage, we have to usually add to the application, even if the payments are deferred, we have to add 1% of the student loan balance as a minimum payment on the loan application. And if you have two or $300,000 in student loan debt from going to med school, that might make you ineligible to buy. So when we delete that minimum payment from the application, it really frees up the debt to income ratio, thus helping our clients get approved and qualify up to a $2 million loan amount.
Awesome. So that's pretty much the program highlights, or you got any other thing you want to highlight into that
Yeah, sure.
before
I
we
mean,
move on?
the minimum down payment is 5%. So as we determine what your qualifications are, if you have a little bit more than 5% down payment for a million or $1.5 million house, great. You got yourself a loan. If you're in the $2 million range or $2.5 million range, we might need a little bit more down payment because our limit is only $2 million loan size.
Awesome. Awesome. So let's break it down a little bit more. So it's a medical loan program. So who are the eligible buyers when it comes to a medical loan program?
So I'm going to list out a few, but it's not limited to. So if you're an MD, a DO, a DDS, DMD, I don't even know what that is.
Yeah.
If you're a pharmacist, a veterinarian, a doctor, a medical resident, a fellow, or if you're an intern with any of those types of medical professional degrees, an anesthesiologist, for example, as well,
Okay.
then you're eligible for this loan program. Now, it's only for owner occupied buyers. And right now, this program is only available for a 1 unit property. So we want to help you buy your primary home.
So getting them into that primary home where they, the family they can do, or the new place that they're going to be working at, be close to work. What about the RN,
Um, yeah.
your nurse practitioners? I mean, on
Uh,
that
s-
list, are they
so
part of that deal too? Or
Yeah, I believe so. So the what we have on the list is CRNA, which I believe is somewhere in that registered nurse arena. Uh, be honest with you, I don't even know what the acronym is, but we'll
okay,
figure it out when we get there.
but there's still a good conversation for the nurses or the nurse practitioners and things like that. That there's an option for them to take advantage of this.
Absolutely. And one thing that's unique about it as well, about this program, is that we know student loan balances can really hold you back from future financing opportunities. So that this resolves the debt to income ratio. But sometimes student loans also kind of, tarnish your credit scores a bit because the balances might be high. It pushes your FICO scores down a notch. Well, good news is that this program also has a minimum FICO score of 680. So that's, should hopefully create a lot of opportunity to get our clients an approval.
Well, thank you very much for joining me today. Once again, my name's Shannon Elias with Compass, here with Michael Campos with Origin Point, who can take care of getting you this medical loan program, and I can help you with finding that perfect place. So if you have anything that you have questions about, please DM us and we can get together and talk more about making your dreams come true. Once again, thanks for joining us. And Michael, thanks for coming in and making this part of your day to educate our viewers out there. DM us if you would like any information. Thank you much.